Hi everyone, today I am here with an unboxing of the Hermes Petit Chalutier Bucket Hat. And here it is. So this is a children's hat that is designed to be worn on the beach. So it comes in two colors. There's like a red or a slightly pinkish hue, which we see here. And there's also a blue. So same pattern, just the edge would be pink or blue. It also comes in two sizes, 48 or a 52. This is the larger 52 size. We elected to go with this size just so that there's room for a daughter to grow into. So for the pattern, we see that there's sailboats, steamboats, fish, balls, dinghies, lots of nautical different themes. I see a lighthouse over here as well. Just a really fun pattern. And this pattern also is available in other beachwear such as towels, bags, and so on and so forth. So this hat is made out of cotton and linen. So it is 58% cotton and 42% linen. And as with most of the children's tags, you can see that there is the Hermes tag, but instead of the standard tag, you see that there is a fun little seagull on it. So in the US, as of August 2021, this hat retails for approximately $350, just pulling up the information here. $365. So we're excited to use this in our next beach or pool outing. And we'll put some pictures in line of it on our daughter as well, so you can see how it fits. It is pretty stretchy, as you can see here. So it will obviously adjust somewhat depending on your child's head circumference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you here next time.